The connectome is like a wiring diagram of the brain, mapping all the connections between neurons. So far, scientists have only managed to fully map the connectome of a few species. One of the most important breakthroughs, actually, was mapping the brain of a tiny worm called C. elegans. This creature, this little worm, has just 300 neurons, and its complete connectome was mapped in the 1980s. It gave us an essential look into how neural circuits actually work. Now, fast forward to 2023, researchers made another leap by mapping the brain of the fruit fly. So it's a much more complex organism than C. elegans, with around 100,000 neurons. And this connectome gave us new insights into how more sophisticated brains actually function. Now, for larger animals like mice, only parts of their brains have been mapped. We've got projects like the Allen Brain Atlas that are working on creating detailed maps for mice, but we're still a long way from completing an entire mouse connectome and many neurons to cover. And at that point, you might be thinking, well, what about humans? Well, the Human Connectome Project is a project that's helping us understand how different regions of the brain are linked using techniques like MRI. But it's still far from the detailed neuron-by-neuron map that we have for simpler creatures like the C. elegans or like the fruit fly.